my current CTC was 4.32, and then in my first offer only I was able to jump up to 80%. My take is, like after going through the Saurav Pal's videos, then my mindset completely changed. Like to say thank you for providing us such a great platform. So thank you so much.
Hi everyone, Saurav Pal this side, and today I have Uma with me, and her story is gonna blow you. How she was like feeling lazy, she was procrastinated in changing her job and going across the process, but she was able to go on a path where she could move from 4.3 lakhs of package to crossing 8 lakhs of package. Let's listen to her story. Let's listen how she has been able to do it, and let's welcome Uma in a fantastic manner. Hi Uma, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm doing good. How about you?
Absolutely amazing. I always get happy seeing the results of the community members, and you are today one of them.
Yeah, thank
So,
you.
Uma, just give us a brief about you. What is your years of experience? Which domain you are working? The people who would be watching you, they are like they get a idea that which is your domain, what is your into, and then we'll talk the further things.
Sure, yeah. Hello everyone, I'm Moma actually. I'm from Karnataka. So currently I'm working as an Informatica developer in L&T Infotech. So in the
Mm-hmm.
industry level, like I have 2.10 years of experience, out of which 2.7 years like I have as an Informatica developer. So
Mm-hmm.
currently, my current CTC was 4.32, and then in my first offer only I was able to jump up to 80%. So I'm happy to share these things with you all.
Wow, that is fantabulous. And Uma, the very first point, the very first thing just coming on top of my mind is that in the first offer letter itself, or when people are going on to the job change, when they're going and like looking out for new opportunities, what is the mental barrier or what is that figure on top of their mind when they're going and looking out for that hike?
Yeah, first thing we are very scared to give the number right when they ask expected CTC. So
Mm-hmm.
what I would suggest is, just prepare technically well. If your
Mm-hmm.
technical round is good,
Correct.
if your technical round goes good, then
Mm-hmm.
you can ask them anything, and they will surely say yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
And a lot of times people have that, okay, the market scenario is 30% or market
right,
scenario is
right.
40%. How would I go and how would I ask for that thing? So, what is your take on that part?
Yeah, my take is, like after going through the Saurav Pal's videos, then my mindset completely changed because I was also expecting when I thought of changing the job.
Mm-hmm.
So I was also thinking, like I may get 30 or 35% hike and all. Then when going through the group and when I contacted with all the members, right? So then I got to know that there is a chance if you upgrade yourself with good skills, then
Mm-hmm.
there is a chance, right? So you can
True.
demand.
Hmm. So, what was that point as you, what was that point which pushed you, which helped you to take that action?
Yeah, the main point was, like when in the group I used to see many people like recently they have started upgrading their results as they
Mm-hmm.
got 50% hike, 70% hike, 130% hike. That motivated me a lot
Mm-hmm.
to start. So I took time to upgrade myself with the current skills, but
Mm-hmm.
like yeah, after that, I also got to know that I deserve this much. I also got to
Absolutely.
know what my worth is.
Hmm. And that realization is very important because
Right,
unless
right,
and
sure.
until we get that thing like set in our subconscious mind, we won't be able to go and achieve it.
Right, right. Knowing your worth is really very, very important.
Absolutely. So, Uma, when did you join the community and how long did it take to produce such results?
Right. I joined this community on December 2nd, okay? But
Okay.
initially, like you guys also, I was also like not that serious.
Mm-hmm.
1 month, I did not update my resume, I did not do anything. I was just going
Mm-hmm.
through few courses.
Mm-hmm.
And then later one day I realized and I sat, I took almost 4 to 5 days to prepare my resume as per my current skills and everything and
Mm-hmm.
experience. So post that, like I started updating resumes in all the platforms like Naukri, Shine, and
Okay.
everything. And
Mm-hmm.
then after that, I was from 20th Jan, I think I started these procedures and all. From
Mm-hmm.
27th Jan, I started receiving the calls for the interviews.
Wow.
Yeah,
So
so
like it's been under 1 month
yeah,
actually when you started taking action and when you actually start getting results.
right. It's almost
Super
one
awesome.
month. Yeah.
So how's you and your family feeling now?
Yeah, they are so happy for me. I'm
Mm-hmm.
so feeling very good. Like got full confidence.
Mm-hmm. Great. So Uma will have like we'll go much deeper into the things what you tried, what you did, and which can actually help other people as well in their journey. So what is your biggest, what I would say, what was your biggest hurdle in your process in your journey, which you were able to overcome?
Right. My biggest hurdle was to just start off, like there only I took too much of time. I was so
Mm-hmm.
lazy to
Mm-hmm.
do that, and that was the one thing. And I was having that fear whether, like in the current organization, have I learned so many things or not? Am I capable to give more interviews or not?
Mm-hmm.
And those many things was in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
So when I started learning the things, right, then I
Mm-hmm.
got much confidence. And after one or two interview, you will also know your worth, like where do you
Absolutely.
stand. Just start giving
Mm.
interviews. so
Correct.
so you will also get to know like where do you stand and what is the areas for improvement, right?
Absolutely. So when we start giving interviews, when we start getting in front of more interviewers and more recruiters and all those things, what do you feel is the biggest challenge in front of people?
Your confidence, like how
Mm-hmm.
how confident are you in your skill?
Mm-hmm.
That is the
Okay.
biggest challenge. Okay.
And how we can work and how you actually worked on that part.
So like actually I got a good chance to work in the current uh, company with like a good number of databases and everything. I had good exposure to all these, but wherever I did not get a chance to work on hands-on, because when we join as a freshers, right, they will
Mm.
not allow us to
Correct.
work on most of the things. So that is the
Mm-hmm.
thing for
Mm-hmm.
2 or 3 years experienced people. So what you have to do is you just go through the concepts and go through. There are a lot of videos that are available in most of the
True.
websites.
Mm.
So you just go through those videos, and whenever you get a free time, you will be having at least 1 hour, 2 hour a day, right? So
Correct.
you just do those hands-on your own. Then
Mm-hmm.
only you'll get to know the understanding of like how
Mm.
it is. So you'll get
Correct.
confidence as well.
And the advantage, what I feel watching those videos of mini projects or mini case studies is when you are into that interview, you can actually relate those examples and quote those things in front of them, and they
Right,
like you will sound more practical and you will sound more like hands-on wala person.
right. Absolutely.
Great. So my second question to you is that Uma, what do you feel is actually be a game changer in anyone's journey? Like after getting into the community, you would have learned a lot of things. So just share your best, like top three things, which is gonna help other people as well.
The first thing I would say is mindset. Please change your mindset. Do not stick to 30%, 35% of hike.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
First thing is the mindset, which plays a great role. And
Correct.
next thing I would suggest is uh, improve your skills. Know
Mm-hmm.
your where do you stand, and then
Mm-hmm.
try to give more time on that, and
Mm-hmm.
just improve your skills.
Mm-hmm.
And like understand what is the market value.
Absolutely. That is very like very,
Very
very
important,
important.
yeah. Understand what is the market value for your
Mm-hmm.
position.
Correct.
So
Mm.
these things will surely help, Saurav.
Wow. And apart from it, like we have the whole community where thousands of people are there.
Right, absolutely, yes. I would love to say this to you all. uh, on my third offer, right,
Mm-hmm.
I got a chance, referral chance. Who the one who was in the group, right, they
Mm.
only referred me. So
Okay.
because of them only I was able to attend the
Wow.
interview. So yeah.
That is very much advantageous, I believe.
Right.
And when you
And there are so
be
many discussions that are going, like changing the interview questions and all. So that
correct,
would
correct.
really help.
Hmm. Absolutely. What is your favorite part of the portal? Like what section or what videos? What is your favorite set of trainings?
Yeah, like how to start is my favorite part of the videos. And when it
Okay.
comes to group means, like sharing is caring. So
Absolutely.
whenever they attend the interviews, they share their experience, right, which you
Hmm.
give, which gives a lot of different kind of things. So that is the thing
Absolutely.
I would
And it
like to
is
say.
absolutely invaluable. It is
Right,
priceless.
right, right.
Hmm. So, Ma, my like quick question to you is, when you were about to enter the community, when you were about to join this particular course and you were about to join this like entire Massive Act family, what was the what was the first thought on top of your mind which was stopping you? Like, you would, like when we are getting into those things, there is always a fight between like our
Right.
yes and no, yes and no. What was that feeling, or what was that thought process?
Yeah, when I got this, like I saw this advertisement in Instagram. Then I got
Mm-hmm.
enrolled, and then I have attended your live session. Then
Mm-hmm.
when I asked to pay, then the
Mm-hmm.
question comes, right? Do I need to or not? So then
Absolutely.
yeah, but I'm not. I don't know. Like in that live session, I got some kind of vibe
Mm-hmm.
that yeah, if I join this particular group, then yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
can do something.
Absolutely.
I felt that. So yeah, I made payment online on that day itself, and then
Correct.
I started my process. But
Mm.
yeah, there were some things going on the back end as well. Like
Mm.
do I need to spend this much? But what I would suggest to
Absolutely.
you guys is like 3,000 is fine. You know,
Mm.
when you achieve your dreams, right? Then only
Absolutely.
we'll realize like what is the value of that. It is
True.
completely
Correct.
fine.
Mm. And like a lot of times, we feel that whatever amount we are putting, whatever amount we are giving, whether we'll get that value or not. So, what do
Yeah,
you
but
feel that whether that value you received, or like what is the percentage you
it
received?
is 10x. It is 10x greater than that. I would
Wow.
say.
And like we after this new year, we eventually increase the pricing because we are getting a lot of results, we are getting a lot of success stories. So now people enroll at the higher pricing, and that was the things. Like, we keep on upgrading. I've also recently updated the portal with few more videos, so it keeps on changing, it keeps on happening, and it is all because of you people, because you guys are putting efforts, you guys are putting in the action, and only then we can actually expect something out of it.
Right.
So, Uma, what is your biggest suggestion at this? Like, we are towards the end of this call. What is your biggest suggestion to everyone who is watching?
Yeah, my biggest suggestion would be, do not stop by giving reasons to yourself that you are not prepared, you are not upgraded. Just start giving interviews. Once you
Mm-hmm.
start giving interviews, then only you would be able to know
Mm-hmm.
what is there. And the second thing is, know your worth. Do not settle down for less than what you
Absolutely.
deserve, right?
Mm.
So
That
know
is
your
very.
worth and then act accordingly.
Wow. So it was fantabulous connecting with you, Uma. Thanks for sharing your experience. Thanks for sharing your valuable insights, what you have gone across in your journey. And I am pretty sure that by the time your notice period end, you will be able to take this 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs, and maybe more than that as well. So we all are with you, with the constant support and with the constant live streams, live trainings. So whatever you want, whatever like the things you really want to get in, we are always there for that particular part.
Thank you, Saurav. And finally, like lastly, I would like to say thank you for providing us such a great platform. So thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you, Saurav.